Hi friends, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today we're diving into one of my favourite Excel tricks, Goal Seek. If you've ever thought, I know the result I want, but I'm not sure what number I need to get there, then Goal Seek is going to be your new best friend. Trust me, once you see how it works, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. We're going to take this step by step using a simple, real-life example, so you can follow along and get the hang of it. Pause the video at any point and try it yourself. That's the best way to make it stick. Here's our table. It's calculating total profit based on selling price per unit, cost per unit, number of units sold. Right now, our total profit is $12,000. But let's say we have a goal. We want to make $20,000 profit. We're not going to change the cost per unit or the number of units sold. Those stay the same. Our question is, what selling price per unit do we need to reach $20,000 profit? And this, my friends, is exactly where Goal Seek shines. First, click on the cell that contains the total profit calculation. In our case, that's E3. Now go to the Data tab, and in the Forecast section, click What If Analysis. You'll see Goal Seek in the list. Go ahead and click it. You'll get a little pop-up window with 3 fields. Set Cell. This is the cell with the value you want to change to your goal amount. That's E3 for us. To Value. This is your target value. Here. We type in 20,000. By changing cell, this is the cell Excel will adjust to hit your goal. For us, that's the selling price in B3. So to recap, we're telling Excel, change the value in B3 until E3 equals 20,000. Once you've filled everything in, click OK. And in a split second, Excel works it out for you. Our new selling price appears, $35 per unit. That's exactly what we need to hit a profit of $20,000 with our current cost and sales volume. I personally love Goal Seek because it saves so much time. No guessing, no endless trial and error. Excel does the heavy lifting for you. And this isn't just for profits. You can use Goal Seek for budgeting, planning, forecasting sales targets, or even figuring out what exam score you need to pass a course. The possibilities are endless. So that's how you use Goal Seek in Excel. Simple, powerful, and surprisingly fun to use. Go ahead, try it with your own numbers, and see what insights you can uncover. You're doing amazing. And remember, Excel really isn't as scary as it looks. Once you get comfortable with tools like Goal Seek, you'll feel unstoppable. See you in the next tip.